Welcome to the first onboarding module for Specteron. In this tutorial, we'll show how Specteron fits into a live technical support workflow from the website widget through the AI agent and knowledge base to the inbox. Specteron helps you manage customer questions in one clear and organized process. A customer starts a conversation through the website widget, the AI agent tries to answer using the knowledge base, and if the issue requires human support, the conversation is moved to the inbox or turned into a lead. The first point of contact is the website widget. This is where customers can ask questions, report problems, or request help. The widget should be easy to find, simple to use, and adjusted to match your company's communication style. For example, a customer may ask, "How can I report a technical issue?" The AI agent does not work on its own. Its answers are based on the knowledge base. The knowledge base contains your company's articles, instructions, documents, and prepared answers. The better your knowledge base is organized, the more accurate and helpful the AI agent becomes. That's why one of the first implementation steps should be adding the most common customer questions and support topics. The safest order for the first implementation is simple. First, configure the website widget, then prepare the knowledge base. Next, test the AI agent. After that, set up the inbox and ticket workflow. Finally, launch the system in production and analyze the first conversations. This order helps reduce risk and it makes the first production launch